Happy
Vlogmas!
Today kicks off Vlogmas with day 1. So I hope you guys are as excited for Vlogmas as we are.
Yeah, for the next 30 days we'll be doing some of our normal stuff and maybe some sort of a little more adventurous things every day for the next 25 days.
Yeah, 25 days. And we've got a whole lineup that we can't wait to share with you guys.
So come tag along with us today as we get lost putting up our Christmas tree.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get going.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
So here we are. We have our Christmas tree. This is a 7.5-foot Swiss Mountain Spruce. It's made by Home Decorators. We got it at Home Depot. It is an app-controlled Christmas tree. So we are pretty excited about that and the kind of technology. So I'm gonna do, I guess, this will be a little bit of an unboxing in a way because we have not opened this box yet. So let's get this box open. So that obviously is step 1, is to put up the tree stand. Here we go. You don't have to keep it.
we skip to the good part.
So now that our Christmas tree is up, we are ready to kick off Vlogmas.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you see all of our Vlogmas videos that are coming up in the next 25 days.
Yeah, we have a lot of fun things that we have planned for you guys, so I hope you guys will join us on this Vlogmas journey.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments below, is there any ornaments that you saw on our tree that you really like, or maybe they're on your tree?
Yeah.
Or even what is your favorite Christmas ornament or holiday ornament on your tree?
Yeah, and be sure to check out our ornament video that we did back in 2019 where we showed you all of our ornaments and a little bit of their story behind them. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out, and we will see you guys.
We'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Wanna hang out with my friends